everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log in to Moodle.net account. To log into Moodle.net, first of all, go ahead and open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in Moodle.net and search. Right after you do that, you will end up in the official site for MoodleNet. Go to the upper right corner and click on the login button to sign into your account. In the login page, type in an email address and a password associated with your account. Right after you do that, click on Login. MoodleNet is an open social media platform designed for educators. It allows you to curate and share educational resources, collaborate with others, and professional development. So that's how you easily log into your MoodleNet account in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.